skeletal system. The functions of the skeletal system. The skeletal system has 4 functions. Support. It forms a framework to support the body and gives it shape. Protection. It protects the vital organs. For example, the ribs protect the heart and lungs from collapse. Movement. Muscles are attached to bones to make them move at the joints. And finally, blood cell production. Red cells, white cells and platelets are made in the bone marrow of some bones such as the femur. Bones. You need to know where the following bones are located in the body. Exactly. Please memorise the skeleton shown opposite. You need to know where the scapula, the sternum, the ribs, the pelvis, the femur, the patella, the humerus, the skull, the radius, the ulna, the tibia and the fibula are all located. Ligaments and tendons. Ligaments are tough tissue that joins bone to bone across a joint, where tendons attach muscle to bone and allows movement. There are 3 different types of joints you need to know. The first is immovable. These are fixed and no movement is possible. They are found in the skull. Secondly, they're slightly movable. These are found between your vertebrae in your back. They only allow a very small amount of movement. And finally, there's freely movable joints. These allow the greatest range of movement because they have synovial fluid that lubricates joints. The hinge joint. This joint is found in the knees and elbow and resembles a door opening and closing. The gliding joint. This joint is found where surfaces glide over each other, such as the small bones in the wrist and foot. The condyloid joint. This is found in the wrist and ankle. The pivot joint. This is found in the neck where the atlas bone meets the axis and allows rotation to occur. The saddle joint is found in the base of the thumb, and the ball and socket, which allows the greatest range of movement, can be found in your hip and shoulders. Extension. This is straightening of a joint. In the photo, the performer's arms are extended after shooting the ball in basketball. Flexion is the opposite of extension. This is bending a joint. In the photo, the performer's arms are flexed before shooting the ball in the basket. Rotation. This is moving a limb freely around a curve. In this photo, the person performing is rotating her shoulder when serving in tennis. Abduction. This is moving a limb away from the centre line of the body. A sporting example could be the outward phase of a star jump. An adduction. This is moving a limb towards the centre line of the body. A sporting example could be the inward phase of a star jump.